and 6 o'clock, then say the rain are gonna start. And when we look, 6 o'clock pass, now rain not start.
Yeah.
Coming down to 5 o'clock, we hear jiggy.
Yeah.
The rain a come. And it start right there so. And when the rain start, it don't start like natural rain.
Yeah.
You know, start like natural rain because Gilbert and the other storm we passed last year, you know, see this here.
Yeah.
And that time, me there Clarendon. And when me up there, me only hear when the water shot, you know, like when you have them big gun,
Yeah.
I saw the water come.
Man.
I saw the water come, you know. Like, it come in just in like how you see fire brigade hose them,
Yeah.
but a bigger hose.
Yeah.
And I say, Lord, when me look, the wind that them a beat out upstairs, the drywall them, everything start to come in upstairs round there, so me attack, you know.
Yeah.
And this here building here.
Yeah.
I say, God, and we have to come out of the house. When we come out on the veranda, the water dey on the top step, come in at the house,
Yeah.
and we have to run to what, the man fee house, because the man fee house near George living, and the man sick on the road there. We have to go around there
Yeah.
and see that.
You alright?
He alright.
Okay.
Well, we see that he alright, and the rain fi done 3 o'clock. The man them say rain fi done,
Yeah.
and the rain done after 3.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So this rain here, and no natural rain.
Yeah. But only for people I say the same thing about it.
And no natural rain.
Yeah.
And no natural rain.
Hurricane, me see. I want to get thunder after.
No, yes, that
Me boss.
no lightning.
Me boss.
That's true.
Come on, man. Nobody not eat
Not even a lightning.
Yeah.
Not even one little rolling a
So you feel
thunder.
like the plans where they have the Black River cause all of this?
Yes, 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 yes,
Yeah.
yes.
They want to build a black lantern, but they couldn't just do it like that.
Yes, right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This a hurricane here. It a come on the bigger heads them.
Okay.
The bigger heads them this hurricane a come from. You understand? As somewhere planned.
Okay.
As somewhere planned.
Attack, you know, say, new city will not get before election.
Because the Prime Minister did don't talk. And the way the Prime Minister say everything come to pass right here so.
Yeah.
A Black River.
Sorry for me.
You understand?
Sorry for me, but we sorry for myself.
Because why?
Look at Black River. Look at this container.
Look.
I want that one.
We live it out. We live it out.